Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to move sections in Elementor. This is a really useful technique when you want to reposition elements on your page and have them stay in a fixed location, giving you more control over your page layout. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools and pages you need to work with. From the dashboard, navigate to the Pages section on the left sidebar and select All Pages. This will show you a complete list of all the pages on your website. Scroll down through your pages and look for the specific page you want to edit. Once you found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. The page will load in the Elementor interface, giving you a visual way to work with all your page elements. Now, in the Elementor editor, look for the section you want to move. This could be an image, a text widget, or any other element on your page. When you've located it, you'll notice a 6-dot icon that appears when you hover over the element. Click on this 6-dot icon to open the Element's Settings panel. This panel gives you access to all the customization options for that particular section. Once the Settings panel is open, navigate to the Advanced tab at the top. This tab contains more technical options that give you greater control over how your elements behave. Within the Advanced tab, look for the Position setting. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down menu, select Fixed. This is the key step that allows you to move the section freely and have it maintain its position on the page. After selecting Fixed, you can now move the section by dragging or holding it. Simply click and hold on the element, then drag it to wherever you want it positioned on your page. The fixed position setting ensures it stays exactly where you place it, even when users scroll through the page. Once you're happy with the new position, it's time to save your work. Look at the upper right corner of the page and you'll see either a Publish button or a Save Draft button beside it. Click Publish if you want the changes to go live immediately, or click Save Draft if you want to review them later before making them public. And there you have it, you've successfully moved and fixed a section in Elementor. This gives you much more flexibility in designing your pages exactly how you want them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.